Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, and today I want to go over when and why I decided to buy grow lights. Grow lights became very practical for me when I could not supply enough light outside early in the season to give me a good start to my transplants. And what I mean by that, you have the luxury of supplying your seedlings the proper amount of sunlight that you need. Can you start some seedlings in front of your windowsill? Of course you can. But when you start running out of room, you have to move into your next category. And that's exactly what I did. You'll find there's all different types of grow lights out there. Ones with different light spectrums. But I'm going to go over what I've been using because I'm very familiar with it. The other ones I haven't used yet, and I want to give you an honest opinion about it. So right in front of us we have a fluorescent fixture, which is 4 feet long and 2 feet wide. There is 8 T5 light bulbs in there. So this particular model has 2 light switches on it. Each light switch will turn on 4 light bulbs. The first one here will turn on the middle 4, and then the other switch will turn on the outside 2 fluorescent light bulbs, which you can see underneath here. The fluorescent light bulbs are very skinny and long, and they're called T5s. They do a very nice job growing your seedlings, and also too, the whole fixture uses about 300 watts an hour. And for every 4-foot light I have here, I have 2 adjustable pulleys, one on each end, that I can raise and lower the light. You just want to keep that grow light within anywhere from 4 to 6 inches from the top of the plants. Plus, with those fluorescent lights on, they do give off a little bit of heat, and that will also help your plants to grow better too. So here's an overview of my grow room. I have 3 T5 light fixture 4 feet long, and I'm able to start 900 plants at one time, which is a big savings to me. But the key point to all this about having a grow light, especially in your house or in your basement or wherever you wish to set it up, I would stay away from your garage if you can, because you want to get your free heat from your house so you can start your transplants. Now, a greenhouse is great outside. Now, if you have cloudy days, you're going to have to worry about somehow about heating that. And also, another key point that you can see, I don't have any plastic on here. The humidity can also evaporate away. That's going to be causing a lot less stress towards your plant, and you won't have to worry about dampening off on your seedlings. I wish to thank you very much for watching today's episode. Feel free to leave comments below and like and subscribe when you get a chance. But please write in if you have any questions about starting your seedlings and using a grow light, and I'll go from there. I will start making other videos about what soil I use, temperature-wise, heating mats, and the mistakes I've made over the years too, I'll be sharing with you. Thank you very much.